So, hello friends. Here in this chapter, we will study about Kalpana Chawla. As a child, she never dreamed that she can cross the frontiers of the space. She does her education from Tagore School and Engineering College. She covered her graduation. After getting graduation, she went to US to achieve the degree in masters, where she later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut who blasted from the launch pad to the Cape Canaveral, Florida. She was the first woman from India who reached there. Kalpana, she was born in Karnal, which is in Haryana, and later on, after going to US, she married to Jane Paris Harrison and convert the citizenship from Indian to American. There, she led many things that she can fly single and multi engine land airplanes. She can also fly sea engine airplanes, then gliders, as well as she was a flight instructor also. She was flight instructor also. After qualifying a pilot degree, Kalpana began to consider about the next challenge, and the next challenge in her life was to apply for the NASA. And later on, then again, the luck was with her, and she got a call from NASA in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So next question, when anyone asks from her that as a woman, how was the journey was there for her? It was a difficult journey or a cakewalk journey? How was the journey for her as a woman? So Kalpana said that she never thought she is a woman or she is from India or she is from middle class family. She only focused that she is having a dream and she want to fulfill that dream. The only focus was in her life was this, to achieve her dreams. So the first space mission where Kalpana reached from Colombia was for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long, and this is the duration of time that in this same time you can make 252 times traveling from your earth and then went back also. This was the distance of 10.45 million kilometer. The crew in which Kalpana goes, it included a Japanese and a European astronaut also with her, and they went there. The mission of them was to find out, to observe that pollination of plant which can grow in space, that they can grow or not, and also to check it out the fastest computer chip. This was the reason why the team went there to in the space. So one Saturday night, when the news about this Columbia disaster broke, everyone was in shock and they don't want to believe that this is the real news, that Kalpana is no more. The town of the Karnal was sleepless night that time. Thousands of household, they just glued to the television in hope that only they can hear this news that she is survived in that accident, you can say. But no, it was not possible that she can survive that accident. She was heroine. She has encyclopedia of knowledge about the astronauts, about the astronomy. She was a pilot. She can fly land airplanes. She can fly sea airplanes and the glider, as well as the instructor also. So she was a multi-talented woman. She achieved her goal, but the end was so uh, different, so strange, which she never expected that in her life. So in Chandigarh, next it is message that has been sent from the abroad space shuttle Columbia to the students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, the path of from dreams to success exists. Yeah, there is a path. What you dream and what is exist, there is a path of it. May you have to vision to find it. You have a vision to look at your path, the courage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. There will be surely be many who start off this journey to fulfill their dream. So this was the chapter about that how a small middle class family girl of India from Haryana, the place where males were not in the favor to teach the girls, from that family she just broke all the walls, all the hindrance of her path. She does her graduation, then masters from US, then she married in US, got the citizenship, and then she also got selected by the NASA for this astronaut. And later on she was the first Indian American woman who went into space um, for 15 days. So it was the journey of her life. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.